Let's compare my Aeris air purifier to my Medify Air MA-112 air purifier. So this is the Aeris. I think it looks really great. You can see it has quite a cool design. It's got this blue cover in my case. You can different covers for the outside. It's got an air intake at the bottom. It pulls that air through and shoots it out the top. It's a true HEPA filter in there, so it gets all those small particulates. Dust, smoke, all that kind of stuff. So I find it works great. As purifier, it is a smart purifier too. So it detects the air quality and it adjusts itself to match the quality of the air. So if you burn something in the kitchen, there's some smoke, it'll ramp up automatically. That said, it really is for medium-sized, small to medium-sized rooms. Now, if you look at the MA-112, on the other hand, it is a lot bigger. It's just not the most interesting design, I would say. It's just a big square, basically. So it's not as high concept design-wise as the Aeris, but it is much more powerful. So this will purify over 2,000 square feet. It's really great for big rooms, and it is quite a powerful purifier. I find it works great in my open concept house. Now, if you're looking at the controls, though, this is not a smart purifier. The MA-112 is something where you have to set the speed manually. There's no air quality measurement on there. Something you're just going to have to do yourself. So again, if you're looking for a purifier for a medium-sized or small room, I think the Aeris is going to be a great option, especially if you want smart controls. If you don't care about smart controls and you want to do a big room or an open concept house, the Medify Air MA-112 is the best bet for you. Both Medify and Aeris sent me these purifiers to try out, so thank you for that. The final thing I would say, there is an ionizer here on the MA-112. I don't personally use it, but if you're looking for a purifier with that ionization function, then this is a great option.